Okay, so we're getting the weed mat in to stop the dirt coming through to the pebbles that we're about to put down, and also to stop the weeds growing. As you can see, my pile of concrete is getting lower. We've been getting rid of it. Got my little helper here today, Jackson.
Hello.
So we'll get this next piece down and then we'll start on the rocks. All right, cheers. Welcome back to Let's Build Things. A bit tired now. We've just moved 4.5 tons of scrap concrete today, and we've started on our fire pit area that I was showing you before. I'll flip the camera around and show you where we're at, what we've got to do. All right, so here's the fire pit area. We've put the first lot of river rocks or river stones in. I've got to go to our local hardware store tomorrow, Bunnings, get some aluminium border edging to cover that off. We've got the white rocks into sandstone, and then that's where the fire pit will sit. So we've got the larger river pebbles or river stones around here, and from this side, this is how it's looking. I've probably just ruined the video by turning the camera, so I apologise for that. As you can see, my pile of concrete is getting lower, and the buffalo turf that I just mowed last week is once again needing another mow. The heat and humidity that we've had here is horrendous. It's very hot, but it's very humid. So we've had 35, 36 degree days, but the humidity is way up there. So all my friends that live in a humid climate, I know how it feels. Got to fly, get him away. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll give you an update on the fire pit shortly. Cheers, cobbers. Thanks.